It's Mr. Tumble's Tumble Tap game. Clean teeth. Oh, hey. Hello. My teeth are nice and clean. Woohoo! Now, I'm going somewhere special today. Can you guess where I'm going? Well, let's play a game on the Tumble Tapp. Woohoo! Here we go. Red, green, blue. 3 special things. Now let's see if Justin can help us find the clues so you can guess where I'm going today. And you'll get a special star surprise if you find all 3. I know you can do it. Oh, but first, we need the magic. Will you help me? Oh, you will? Oh, thank you. Take your finger and touch your nose. Blink 3 times, and off it goes.
Aha! Look, it's Mr. Tumble's spotty bag. Thank you. Hello, I'm Justin. Can you show me your biggest smile? Oh, fantastic. And I wonder what 3 special things Mr. Tumble wants us to look for here today.
Let's find 3 clues on the Tumble Tapp. I wonder what the first clue is. Let's play and find out. Who's that? That's right, it's the dentist. Was the dentist behind the red, green, or blue? When you see him, wave or cheer too. Woohoo!
Well done! The dentist was behind the red spot.
Did you find the dentist? Have you guessed where I'm going yet? The next clue should help. Let's play again. What's that? That's right. It's some teeth. Were the teeth behind the red, green, or blue? When you see them, wave or cheer too. Woohoo!
Well done! The teeth were behind the green spot.
Did you find the teeth? So that's a dentist and some teeth. Have you guessed where I'm going yet? Let's see if you can find the final clue. Oh, what's that? That's right. It's a sticker. Was the sticker behind the red, green, or blue? When you see it, wave or cheer too.
Well done! The sticker was behind the blue spot. It's time to send the spotty bag back to Mr. Tumble. Will you help me with the magic? Thank you. Take your finger and touch your nose. Blink 3 times, and off it goes.
Oh, thank you for helping me find the 3 special things. Now, can you remember the clues from the Tumble Tapp? Well, we had the dentist, some teeth, and a sticker. Can you guess where I'm going? That's right! I'm going to see the dentist! Woohoo! Well done! This special star surprise will help us to keep our teeth healthy. Join in and sing along. Bye-bye! Let's brush our teeth. Keep your teeth clean. Make them shine and gleam, 'cause you should brush them twice every day. So get your toothbrush. Take your time, don't rush. Pop on the toothpaste and brush away. Side to side and up and down, round and around and around. After 2 minutes, that's it. One last brush and spit. Now, your teeth shine and look so divine, and that's the way they're going to stay. Hello, it's me, Mr. Tumble. Did you enjoy that? Woohoo! If you want to see more of me and my friends, then go to BBC iPlayer and look out for CBeebies Something Special.